Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia X20. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's enter Google app, tap button in the right top corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and simply enable Hey Google. Tap next, agree and continue. Now you can go back, enter lock screen and also enable this function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny with a high of 68 and a low of 33.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.